Hi everyone, this is WOW News Special Report number 5 of 6, where the Department of Ed is entering an interagency agreement with the Department of Health and Human Services for the partnership of Child Care Access Needs Parents in School Partnership. This is to improve child care support to parents who are in school who need child care access so they can continue school. And here's the part in bold at the bottom. The President's fiscal year 2026 budget proposes to eliminate this, the CCAMPIS, because the program is unaffordable and duplicative. So they want it in the hands of the Health and Human Services in case Congress wants to fund the program. So if this program is vital to you, take control and try to get Congress to keep it. Let's stay tuned for number 6 tomorrow.